Hello, and welcome to our channel, Top 10s You Should Know. Have you ever finished an intense workout and felt sore, drained, or unable to bounce back quickly? Or maybe you're putting in the hours at the gym, but not seeing the gains or recovery you expected. The truth is, what you eat after exercise can make or break your progress. Recovery isn't just about rest, it's about giving your body the right nutrients to repair muscles, replenish energy, and reduce inflammation. Today, we're diving into the top 15 foods that help you recover faster from workouts, powerful options that support your muscles, energy, and overall performance. If you want to feel stronger, less sore, and more energized after training, these foods are game changers. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, packed with essential amino acids that repair and rebuild muscle tissue after exercise. The leucine in eggs specifically triggers muscle protein synthesis, helping your muscles recover faster. Beyond protein, eggs contain choline and healthy fats that reduce inflammation and support overall cellular health. People who include eggs in their post-workout meals often notice less soreness, sustained energy, and faster recovery times. Boiled, poached, scrambled, or in an omelet, eggs are versatile, nutrient-dense, and easy to incorporate into any routine. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides a perfect mix of protein and carbohydrates, the protein for muscle repair, and carbs to replenish glycogen stores. It's also rich in probiotics, which support gut health, indirectly enhancing nutrient absorption and recovery. People who consume Greek yogurt post-workout report feeling satisfied, energized, and less fatigued. Pairing it with fruits like berries or a drizzle of honey adds antioxidants and natural sugars for quick replenishment, making it a delicious and functional recovery meal. 3. Salmon. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce muscle soreness after workouts. Omega-3s also support joint health and cardiovascular function, making recovery not just faster, but safer and more effective. People who include salmon in their post-exercise meals often experience reduced stiffness, faster overall energy restoration, and improved endurance for subsequent training sessions. Grilled, baked, or in a salad, salmon is a nutrient-rich option that elevates recovery meals. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete plant-based protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it excellent for muscle repair. It's also rich in complex carbohydrates and magnesium, which help restore energy and relax muscles after exertion. People who add quinoa to their post-workout meals often notice improved endurance, less cramping, and faster recovery. Quinoa salads with beans, vegetables, and olive oil create a nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory meal that your body thrives on after heavy training. 5. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress caused by intense workouts. They help reduce inflammation and speed up muscle recovery while supporting immune function. People who blend berries into smoothies or eat them with yogurt after exercise often feel less soreness and more energy. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars replenishes glycogen and provides anti-inflammatory benefits that protect your muscles and promote faster recovery. 6. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are rich in iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, which help muscles recover, reduce inflammation, and boost oxygen transport in the blood. Magnesium is especially critical for muscle relaxation and preventing cramps. People who include spinach in post-workout meals, whether in salads, smoothies, or sautés, often notice faster recovery and reduced muscle stiffness. Spinach also provides folate, supporting cellular repair and overall recovery after training. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of complex carbohydrates and beta-carotene. Carbs replenish glycogen stores depleted during exercise, while beta-carotene's antioxidant properties reduce inflammation. Sweet potatoes also provide potassium, which aids in muscle function and prevents cramps. People who consume roasted or mashed sweet potatoes after workouts often experience less fatigue, improved endurance, and enhanced performance in their next training session. 8. Almonds. Almonds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage during intense workouts. Snacking on a handful of almonds post-exercise supports muscle repair, reduces inflammation, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. People who add almonds to smoothies, yogurt, or eat them plain often notice faster recovery, better energy, and reduced post workout soreness. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti inflammatory compound that reduces post workout muscle soreness and accelerates recovery. Pairing turmeric with black pepper improves absorption, enhancing its effects. People who include turmeric in smoothies, teas, or meals often notice less stiffness, faster recovery, and reduced joint discomfort after intense exercise. Turmeric also supports overall immune and gut health, amplifying its benefits for overall performance. 10. Chicken breast. Lean protein like chicken breast is essential for repairing and building muscle fibers. High-quality protein intake immediately after resistance training accelerates muscle protein synthesis and promotes faster recovery. People who include chicken breast in their post-workout meals often notice better strength gains, reduced fatigue, and sustained energy. Grilled or baked with herbs and paired with vegetables, it provides a low-fat, nutrient-dense option that supports recovery effectively. 11. Egg whites and whole eggs. Egg whites provide pure protein, while whole eggs add healthy fats and essential vitamins like B12 and choline. Combining both offers optimal muscle repair, energy restoration, and anti-inflammatory benefits. People who include eggs post-training report reduced muscle soreness, sustained energy, and faster recovery. 12. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids that help muscles recover even hours after exercise. People who eat cottage cheese post-evening workouts benefit from overnight muscle repair and improved protein balance. Pairing it with fruits or nuts increases antioxidant and micronutrient intake, supporting overall recovery. 13. Oats. Oats are a complex carbohydrate source that replenishes glycogen stores, providing sustained energy and reducing post-exercise fatigue. Rich in fiber, B vitamins, and minerals, oats also support adrenal and thyroid function. People who eat oats post-workout often experience stabilized energy, better digestion, and improved recovery time, making them an excellent choice for sustained post-training nourishment. 14. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that helps reduce swelling and muscle soreness. Consuming pineapple post-workout aids digestion and accelerates recovery. People who blend pineapple into smoothies or eat it fresh notice reduced stiffness, faster energy restoration, and enhanced readiness for the next session. 15. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants called flavonoids, which help reduce exercise-induced inflammation and support heart health. A small portion post-workout can improve blood flow, reduce oxidative stress, and even enhance mood. People who include dark chocolate mindfully as part of recovery often feel rejuvenated, motivated, and ready for their next session. And that concludes our top 15 foods that help you recover faster from workouts. Which of these foods will you include in your post-workout meals? Or maybe you already have your favorite go-to recovery foods. Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips to help you train smarter, recover faster, and feel your best every single day.